Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are fine. Okay. I hope everyone is fine. So now, what I am telling you, the class, 5th class, that is science and English. So I am thinking that I am hoping that you are understanding my lessons. So if you are not understanding my lessons also, in the between also I am telling for you in the Telugu also some. More if I use more and more Telugu, so they will tell that is Telugu medium you are telling. So that's what I am using more and more English only. The less I am telling you in the Telugu where you are not understanding, I know where you will not understand. Then I am telling I am using Telugu language. Now we have completed 3 lessons of science. So now we are going to unit 2, that is our needs, that is air is useful to us. So first I will write the unit 2, then I will explain what is meant by air. Air is useful to us. So how air is useful to us? So how air is useful? First of all, what is meant by air? Gali, yes, which we breathe now, which we are living alive. Without a breath we cannot be alive. So with the help of air we are living now. So it is a very important, it is also one of the very important for our lives. So here air is useful, it is very useful to us, very useful to us, because to breathe we must have the air. So now for you, so many members, every child knows that what is meant by air, gali. సో మనం ఊపిరి పీల్చుకోవాలన్నా గాలి కావాలి, మనం బ్రతకాలన్నా గాలి కావాలి. సో మనం బ్రతకడానికి ఏదైనా ఏది అవసరానికైనా గాలి కావాలి. సో we want air. So we have most important in our life, that is air. So here now with the what help of air, how many we can move with the help of air? We can go through so many things. That may be aeroplane, it will fly in the air, and the birds will fly in the air. Animals breathe air, yes. Plants, yes. Human beings, yes. Every bird, insects, every human beings, living things, they will breathe the air. So how kites will fly? The help of air. So like this only, so many examples are there in the lesson. I will teach for you. Now I will start the lesson. How air is useful for us. Air makes life on the earth possible. I told air makes possible. Ante manam bratakadanikki kachithanga gali avasaram. It is possible. 100% is possible, the air. It is an invisible mixture of gases made up of millions of tiny gas molecules that moves around randomly at the highest speed. Without air, the earth would be lifeless planet. So here what he is telling, we want air to breathe. It is a mixture of gases. The mixture of made up of million of tiny gas molecules that move around randomly at the highest speed. Without air, there is no life on the earth for us. So it will be the lifeless planet. Ante గాలి లేని ప్లానెట్ మన యొక్క ఇండియా అని అర్థం, ఒకవేళ గాలి లేకపోతే. The earth has surrounded views for all sides. It is all surrounded by air. In fact, we live in the ocean of air. Air is everywhere, even in the empty box, in the cracks of rocks, and also in water. We cannot smell air. It is odorless. Next, air helps us various ways. So here what is telling for us, air is everywhere. Gali prati oka chotu undi, everywhere air is there. So how it helps us? It helps us in breathing. So without air we cannot live. So what he is telling in this paragraph, that is air is everywhere. గాలి ప్రతి చోట ఉంటుంది. సో మీరు గాలిని చూసారా? స్మెల్, యూ కెన్ స్మెల్ ఇట్? నో, వీ కెనాట్ స్మెల్ ద ఎయిర్. లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ హీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కలర్లెస్. మీ గాలి ఏ కలర్ ఉంటుందో తెలుసా? నో. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కలర్లెస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కలర్లెస్, it is odorless. So air is most important for us, he is telling in the so air has many ways. How many? There is many ways to, how it helps in many ways. Air, we will see now. Complete the sentences. FA given, we need air to breathe in order. Parachute flies in the air. Ship use the power of moving air. See here important of air given. First one is breathe, parachute, ship, aeroplane, windmill, tube. So once again I will read. Aeroplane fly in the air. Yeah. First how we will breathe? We need air to breathe. మనకి శ్వాస పీల్చుకోవాలి. పారాషూట్ ఎలా ఎగురుతుంది? With the help of air. Next, how ship will go? The help of air only. Aeroplane also fly in the air. Windmill make use of wind to generate electricity. Next, air is pumped inside the tube of a vehicle. How air will go? Inside the tube. Air will go inside the tube. So next, atmosphere. Next is, first we have completed the air, how it is useful. First one is atmosphere. Atmosphere. What is mean by atmosphere? Now we will go. Atmosphere ante enti? Okay, a blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. The blanket of air, మొత్తం మన యొక్క సరౌండింగ్స్ మొత్తం ఎయిర్ని కమ్ముకొని ఉంది, దాన్నే అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అని అంటారు. సో దిట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్. అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఈజ్ ఎ మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్ ఇన్ సెవరల్ ఏరియాస్. ఇక్కడ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఏంటి? మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్ ఇన్ సెవరల్ లేయర్స్, చాలా లేయర్స్లో మిక్చర్ అయి ఉన్నది. సో ఇట్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎర్త్ సర్ఫేస్ అబౌట్ 800 kilometers above the earth. 800 kilometers above the earth surface it has extended. 800 kilometers above the earth. Above ante enti? It is above the earth. Above the earth 800 kilometers it has existed for the surface of the earth. So now layer of the earth, atmosphere. So 800 kilometers above the earth. Now layers ante em unnai layers given no layers of the atmosphere. ఎన్ని లేయర్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూద్దాం అట్మాస్ఫియర్కి. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రాటోస్ఫియర్, స్ట్రాటోస్ఫియర్, ionosphere, exosphere. There are 4 layers of atmosphere. So first one is troposphere. First one is troposphere. The first one is troposphere. First one is troposphere. Troposphere, that is, it is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Troposphere is lowest of the atmosphere. It contains water and gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen. So it is contains mostly water and gases. It contains ఎక్కువగా water and gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen. About 80% of the air. About 80%. 80%, you know what is meant by 80% of air. 80% of air of atmosphere is in the stratosphere. All weather changes takes place in it. The conditions in this layer change very quickly. Stratosphere lo it is a very changing weather also takes place in troposphere. It is 80% of air will be go to the stratosphere. The weather condition will change in this stratosphere. The condition is layer change very quickly. In this stratosphere, the weather will change very quickly. Okay, this is the first stratosphere. Next, stratosphere. The second one is stratosphere. First layer completed. Second one is stratosphere. Stratosphere. Above the stratosphere is the stratosphere. Above the troposphere. Troposphere above ante meeda, stratosphere above the stratosphere is the stratosphere is there. It is about 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers. Thickness is 30 kilometers. It is a clear cloudless layer and star glow as the sky is always above. The stratosphere is very clear stars which glows very sky to the always back. The ozone layer encapsulates the stratosphere. The ozone layer is like a huge shield that blocks most of the sun harmful ultraviolet rays. So here is telling most huge shield blocks with the sun harmful ultraviolet rays to the stratosphere. It is a 30 kilometers. The ozone layer is encapsulate the stratosphere. Next, ionosphere. The third one is ionosphere. What is the third one? Ionosphere. It is the thickest. It is the thickest layer. All of this ionosphere is very thickest one. It reflected radius waves back to the earth. Radius waves to the back of the earth. So signals can be sent around the world. Then signals. So the signals can be sent around the world with the help of ionosphere. Exosphere. The last one is exosphere. It is the outermost layer. It is the outermost layer. The outermost layer, exosphere. The exosphere is where the Earth's atmosphere really becomes a part of a space. It is a part of a space which becomes the exosphere. So here, once I will explain this picture also for you. Here, exosphere. This is the satellites, space shuttles, radiance, waves. Here, stratosphere, weather balloons, ozone layer, stratosphere layer of the atmosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Exosphere, ionosphere are the upper layer here, satellites. Next, it comes into the stratosphere. Next, going to the above, it is the stratosphere. So these are the layer of the atmosphere clearly given in the picture. Okay. Now this one also layer. How many layers? There are 4 layers. Stratosphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. These are the 4 layers of the atmosphere. Next, composition of air. Here, next one is composition of air. What is the compositions of air? Now we will know. So first one, air is mixture of many gases. Yes, we all know air is the mixture of all gases. Example, it has nitrogen, oxygen, argon and carbon dioxide with very small amount of water vapor in other gases. It also contains suspended dust spores and bacteria. So here oxygen has many, what he is telling, a mixture. So many mixture of gases is there. It has maybe nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, that is CO2, Next, with all very small amount of water vapor. Water vapor everyone know. So and other gases. So here water vapor of small amount of water vapor and other gases. So here it is also contains suspended dust, spores and bacteria. So we know in this we will get dust, bacteria, everything in the, it will be mixture with the air. Next, the amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. The amount of water present in the air is called humidity. What is the humidity? The amount of water vapor present in air, amount of water present in the air is called humidity. This is known as humidity. So here composition of air is given here. So with the help of diagram I will tell you, as well as this one I will rub off now. The humidity is more in the air when the amount of water vapor is more in air. The humidity is more when the amount of water vapor is more in air. When humidity is high in air, the respiration from our body surface does not evaporate quickly. So it will not evaporate because of respiration of our body. So it evaporates quickly and so we feel comfortably. We will feel very comfortably. We can feel a humidity in air before and after the rain. Humidity when we will feel before air and after the air. Oche mundu air varsham rain oche mundu air we feel humidity when the rain comes oche mundu and ochin tarvata. So here one diagram is there, composition of air. Just simply I will draw and show for you. Here he given like this shape. So here this is here again here one green color is there, small bit of green color he has drawn here. So just roughly I am drawing here children. So here he given some matter or other, here some other gases like argon, carbon dioxide. Next here he given oxygen, 21% of oxygen he given here. It helps to burning. Plants and animals need to respiration, this one, this part. Okay. Next here nitrogen. Here he given nitrogen, 78% of nitrogen, this one mottam 78% of nitrogen, here 21% of, so 71 plus 21 99, 1% here it will take so here it has presence in check the process of burning under the control. So it will nitrogen under the burning of the control, we will the nitrogen. Next oxygen composition, we will burning plants and animals we need for it respiration. So this is a composition of the air. So composition of air also now we have completed children. So now once again what is useful of air, you also go through what is mean by air. So write short, I will give for you homework. I have not given science homework for you. Small homework, write a short notes on air. Write a short notes on air. Air gurinchi oka few lines. Write a short notes, a few lines you write down about air. So what is mean by air? You write by line what is mean by air, how it helps to us, with the what help, how many gases will mix in that, what particles and what are there. So you write down few. So tomorrow I will explain you formative assessment properties of air. Next tomorrow I will start the explanation of leftover the lesson. So now you learn what is mean by air is useful, how air is useful to us also, how it useful to us. Okay, how without air we can live? No, we cannot live without air. So without air there is no life for us. So there is no life to exist on earth. If the air is not is there in all over India, that is not at all planet, that is also like a what it is? Lifeless planet we will call. So like this only, go through some more notes, write some short notes on air. What is mean by air? Air అంటే ఏంది, ఎలా ఊపి గాలి ఎలా పీల్చుకుంటాము, ఎలా వస్తుంది, మనకు గాలి కనిపిస్తుందా. సో రైట్ ఏ ఫ్యూ lines about that. And so now I will stop my lesson. Thank you children, thank you very much. Okay.